According to a study conducted by the UK's Bristol University, vegetarians and vegans are almost twice as likely to suffer from depression when compared to those who eat meat.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where I talk about plant-based nutrition, fitness, and vegan lifestyle tips. So if you're new here, definitely subscribe. But today's topic is a kind of controversial one. I saw the doctor's TV show post this video where they talk about vegetarians and vegans being twice as likely to suffer from depression. All right, so let's get right into it.
Some people are worried that if you switch to vegetarian and you're skipping important nutrients, that may increase your risk. What did you all think about this study?
I thought it was interesting just because it goes to the point that not having certain vitamins and minerals can definitely impact mental health. And specifically in this study, they looked at B12, and they found that the lower levels of B12 were directly correlated with mood.
All right, so vitamin B12 is not found in plants because plants don't make it, bacteria does. And due to our modern agriculture system and the way we process our food these days, we are not able to get that B12 producing bacteria into our system to have healthy B12 through natural sources. And not getting enough B12, especially if you're a vegan, can have serious consequences, especially on the nervous system. And I'll post links below to some good vitamin B12s out there, but thing is, it's not a nutrient deficiency exclusive to just vegans. It's estimated that about 15% of the general population actually suffers from vitamin B12 deficiency, and it's estimated that around maybe 3% of the population is vegan. So I definitely don't think that that is the reason why vegans or vegetarians may suffer from depression more than meat eaters.
There were some people who were joking about this study, like, oh, these vegetarians, they're depressed because they can't eat meat. But we actually don't know the direction of causality here. We just know that they're correlated. And so I hope that people who choose the vegetarian lifestyle are just thinking about how to educate themselves, make sure they're still going to the doctor, because just being vegetarian is not by itself healthy. I know vegetarians who eat like a whole bowl of pasta and they say, I'm a vegetarian.
So I definitely don't think that vegetarians or vegans are depressed because they're not eating meat. They obviously made a conscious decision to not eat meat, and I believe that that definitely outweighs the reasons why they should be eating meat, right? Like if someone has chosen to give up meat or any other animal product, they're not thinking about how much they're missing that. They're thinking about how much they're helping the animals, how much they're helping their health, the environment. That's what they're thinking about, and it makes sense to them. So I don't think that's a reason why. But I definitely think that education is key here, that you're going about it the right way of how to eat a plant-based diet. I mean, you can be nutrient deficient in any diet that you eat. So knowing what foods to eat in order to be healthy is definitely important.
Primarily plant-based diet is as healthy as you can get.
Did he just say what I thought he said? Props, Travis.
A lot of people will go vegetarian or vegan for conscientious reasons.
Yes.
And people who are conscientious may be more prone to things like depression because they worry about things like, what am I doing to the environment? What am I doing? So I'm going to cut back on my meat consumption.
So I think what Dr. Stork here said is partly true. I think someone who is conscientious is going to think a little bit more about the decisions and the actions they take than someone who is less conscientious, whether that's going vegan, about the animals, the environment, fair labor, whatever the topic is. But this is an interesting topic, that vegetarians and vegans would be more likely to be depressed than meat eaters. I think it's an interesting topic. I don't know if it's true or not, but I can relate with some of it for sure. It is a bit isolating adopting a lifestyle like this, because it's just so uncommon. Like I said, about 3% or so of the population is actually vegan. But in my opinion, I think some of that depression may actually come from seeing those around you destroy their health by eating animal products, and also thinking about the animals that suffer every single day. You're trying to do as much as you can, but it's still not enough to save all the animals that are suffering, our environment, our planet being destroyed because of the animal agriculture, and also not finding other vegans to connect with. I think people who go vegan are genuinely happy that they made this decision, but sometimes it can be tough because you can feel alone, and also because you just don't see other people getting it. You're onto something good here, and just other people don't get it, and it's frustrating. I totally understand that. But one thing's for sure is that vegans deep down know that they have an impact on their health, on the environment, and on the lives of animals. In my opinion, that is absolutely nothing to be depressed over. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Do you guys feel that vegans or vegetarians are more likely to be depressed than meat eaters? And if so, why do you think that? Post down below your thoughts. And if you do think that, let me know why in the comments section down below. Hit that like button, share this video around to start the conversation, and subscribe for more videos on plant-based nutrition, fitness, and vegan lifestyle tips. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.